Hello again. We are going to start on the first part of setting up EFC. This involves installing a command line interface tool and adding the right NuGet packages to your project. If you have already installed the tool, you can skip that part, but you may want to update it to the latest version. Let's have a look in Writer. I already have here an existing class library. Now I'll open up the NuGet Package Manager. First, we add the Microsoft Entity Framework core package. I'll pick the latest release version and click on the plus to add it to my project and install it. Next, we need the Microsoft Entity Framework core design package. And finally, a package specific to your database provider of choice. I will be using SQLite, so I find that package here. If you want to use another database, like Postgres, you will need to Google which package to install. I installed the package, and that's it for the packages. Next up, let's install the CLI tool. We need the tool for various EFC actions like generating migrations and updating the database. I open the terminal and type in the following command. The -G means that the tool is installed globally, so you only need to do this once. Then for your next project, the tool is already installed. The last part with verbosity detailed is just for more detailed output for your benefit. Otherwise, I don't get an output because I have the tool installed already. Hopefully you'll get a confirmation message that the tool was installed successfully, similar to this. If you already installed the tool a while back, you might want to update the tool with this command. Again, my tool is up to date, so the output isn't really interesting because I did not include the verbosity setting. But that should be all for setting up. Later we will see how to use the tool. Thank you for watching.